green. 60 and rotate.
Jabara traffic, Skyline Port Echo Mike is turning right crosswind 18 Jabara. Jabara traffic, Skyline Port Echo Mike is on right downwind 18 Jabara. Jabara traffic, Skyline Port Echo Mike departing the pattern to the north left call Jabara.
All right, we want to get our frequencies in for Benton.
Okay, those are in.
All right.
Morning traffic, East Center 728 Hotel, 25 to the west, no flight field.
Right pattern for 17, and that's what we'll be landing on.
Yeah.
Jabara's rabbit light going over there.
Yeah.
Stearman traffic, Cessna 89973 taking the active 17 south departure, Stearman.
Stearman traffic, Skyline Port Echo Mike is on the right downwind for 17 Stearman.
Stearman traffic, Comanche 5315 Papa is clear.
Stearman traffic, Skyline Port Echo Mike's on right base for 17 Stearman.
All right, 20 degrees.
Stearman traffic, Skyline Port Echo Mike is on short final 17 Stearman.
Is not available.
Stearman traffic, Comanche 5315 Papa is position holding on one.
Traffic, I don't know if you're paying attention.
Yeah, I see him.
Okay.
Stearman traffic, Comanche 5315 Papa is taking off 17 Stearman. We'll stay in the pattern.
All right, Stearman traffic, Skyline Port Echo Mike is departing the area to the south, Stearman.
Okay, your comms and your AWAS is in.
Weather observation 0102 Zulu weather wind 180 at 6 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature -0 Celsius dew point -13 altimeter 3027.
All right, where's Augusta at?
It's right down here, right to our right.
Yeah, I see it now. And we should be at 2300.
Traffic, Cessna 4 Whiskey Romeo is a mile and a half to the west, going to be crossing midfield, entering a left downwind for runway 17. Cook.
Oh, that's Cook. I was going, what?
Yeah.
We'll just fly over Augusta and then we'll descend on that. 2300, right?
Correct.
Traffic, Cessna 4 Whiskey Romeo is left downwind for 17, full stop, Cook.
Augusta traffic, Skyline Portico Mike is entering a left downwind for 18 Augusta.
Traffic, Cessna 4 Whiskey Romeo, turning left base for 17 full stop. Good.
All right, 10 degrees. Rich.
Augusta traffic, Skyline Portico Mike's on short final, 18 Augusta.
Is not available.
Augusta traffic, Skyline Portico Mike is clear of runway 18 Augusta.
Things green, airspeed's alive. 60. Rotate. Positive rate, flaps up.
Emporia traffic, Skyhawk 7947 Golf, about 15 to the northwest, inbound for 19.
Oh,
Emporia.
Emporia, huh? All right, we're beating the numbers, prop in, full rich, 10 degrees.
Augusta traffic, Skyline Portico Mike is turning left base for 18 Augusta.
Out 20 degrees.
Augusta traffic, Skyline Portico Mike is turning final for 18 Augusta.
The 18-knot crosswind and a 23-knot headwind.
Wow.
Emporia traffic, Skyhawk 7947 Golf, about 10 miles to the northwest for 19, Emporia.
Augusta traffic, Skyline Portico Mike's on short final, 18 Augusta.
Is not available.
make it down to the other one.
Had to brake pretty hard the first time.
Yeah.
Flat slope was better that time, wasn't it?
Yeah, a little bit. The other one's all the way down, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Augusta traffic, Skyline 4 Echo Mike is clear of runway 18, taxiing back to the ramp, Augusta.
I'm going to go ahead and we'll do the ILS for Jabara.
Oh, okay. Sure. Okay.
And then here, let's go ahead and, oh, that's all right, you don't have to save it.
Okay. We'll do it later. This is what you need down here, isn't it?
Yep. Nobody on downwind, nobody on final.
Augusta traffic, Skyline 4 Echo Mike is taking off runway 18, Augusta.
Or up, everything's green. Speeds alive. Rotate. Brake, flaps up.
Augusta traffic, Skyline 4 Echo Mike is turning left crosswind 18, Augusta.
Plane up there.
Yeah,
It's
way
up
there.
a good ways up.
Employee traffic, Skyhawk 7947 Golf, right crosswind 19, touch and go, employee traffic.
Wichita, Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation 0129er Zulu. Wind 170 at 12. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 02 Celsius. Dew point -12 Celsius.